Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to close multiple apps on iPhone 12. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you go ahead and open multiple apps on your iPhone 12, and now you want to close all this application without wasting much of your time, like closing 2, 3, 4, 5 apps at the same time on your iPhone 12, all you need to do is just swipe up from the bottom to the middle to open all recent applications like this. Now, to close any application here, just to swipe up on the application, but in case where you want to close multiple apps at the same time, you want to use between 2 to 4 fingers on your iPhone 12 screen, then to close more than one application at the same time. See that? So, if you have it like this, and then you can just go ahead, try multiple fingers, you see, to close multiple applications at the same time. So, I'm going to use this to close up to 3 or 4 applications. See, I have 3 applications moving at the same time, and then they are gone. So that is basically how you can close apps and close multiple applications at once on your iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.